Today I'll be showing you how to rebuild your Tuthill brine pump. Let's get started. After removing your Tuthill brine pump from your system, first step, remove your 3/8" push fittings. Step 2, remove your two 9/64 Allen wrench screws and end cap. Step 3, remove the wet end of the pump by removing the 3 Torx head screws. Step 4, remove the magnetic drive cover. Step 5, removing the magnet from the drive gear using a small flathead screwdriver. Remember, to remove magnet, the screw is reverse threads. Step 6, inserting new gears starting with your center gear. It is not always necessary to replace the shaft bushings and O-rings, but if needed, they are included in the pump rebuild kit. Step 7, reassemble pump in reverse order.